Hi guys, welcome to my video. I wanted to show you guys how I do my wash and goes. Each time I do a wash and go, I use the same technique. This time I was inspired by Mahogany Curl's video. She listed her favorite products for wash and goes, and I'm actually happy I watched the video. These products worked really well on my hair. My curls came out really defined and it left my hair moisturized. So just keep watching and I'll give you a tutorial. First product I'll be using is the Shea Moisture Leave-In Detangler. It is a thick product, but it works well with detangling. You don't need a ton because it is very moisturizing, and I'll be adding other things on top of it, so you don't want to put too much. The next step will be the Diva Curl Believe In. This one gives the curls great definition and plumps them out, and I layer this on top of the detangler. Lastly, I have the Eco Styler. This one is the Argan Oil. I like to use the gels on top of my products just to seal in everything and to keep my curls defined, and this helps my wash and go last for up to a week. And in each step you see I'm really just smoothing everything in and making sure that every piece is covered, and it just gives me really good definition. As you can see here, the curls are super defined and they'll stay that way the remainder of the wash and go. If your hair begins to get dry, just spritz it with a little more water before applying the product. That makes the product a lot easier to get through your hair. Here you'll get a closer look at how I like to separate the curls. It makes the process a little bit longer, but the curls come out more defined, and I found that I have less frizz this way. I just separate them kind of naturally where they already want to separate, and just smooth it down so they'll be individual curls and not a clump. Here is what my hair looks like after all the product has been applied. It is still wet, but you'll see right after that in the next shot, my hair is 70% dry right now, and it is very defined, super soft. I don't have that gel cast. It's really soft and moisturized, and this should be able to last me for the next week. I hope you guys liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe.